Can we continue? We were discussing about the regulators, right? We spoke about RBI or we spoke about SEBI.
SEBI.
SEBI बात किया था, अभी RBI का करेंगे, ठीक है? RBI regulates banking institutions and non-banking.
Yes, ma'am.
Money market, forex market, right? Now, IRDA, entire insurance sector. In case somebody has not received their claim, they can complain here. In case agent is not doing his job properly, they can do it here. They can complain here, etc. Right? And then pension, Public Provident Fund Regulatory Authority, right? PPFRDA regulates your public provident fund. Any doubts so far?
No, ma'am.
So now we saw about the regulators also. So did you take down those points that were written on the whiteboard? I did not deliberately take a
Yes, ma'am.
because I want you to also start participating, taking some notes. So now we discussed about some of the instruments, all the components with their instruments, with their sub-components we discussed of financial system, correct? Then we started with our money market, full-fledged session on money market we had, if you remember, right? Do you remember what we learned in money market?
Money market is a short-term market.
Yes. Do you remember what we learned in money market?
It is a short-term market.
Yes, it's a short-term market. So do you have brokers to deal in money market? Market that deals with short-term funds, if you remember, correct? We saw PPT on that, if you remember.
It is an interaction between individual and institution.
Individual and institution, and there is no component of primary secondary segregation here. All the funds are dealt in primary market, issuer to investor basis, right? And money market, who's the regulator again? RBI. I keep repeating, RBI regulates money market. And then it also had sub-components, if you remember. What were the sub-components? What were the sub-components of money market? Do you remember?
No.
Yes, no.
No, ma'am.
Sorry? You don't remember? So let me share my whiteboard, we will list down. Slides are for you to study. So I'll say subcomponents of money market were money markets. Money market was, we had call money market. Do you remember what I'm talking about? Call money market, discount market, treasury bill market, Yes. Do you remember all these things? Commercial bill market. याद है कि नहीं आपको? हमने ये सब देखा था. Call money market was a market for very very short term funds. 0 to 14 days funds were dealt with, right? It was called as call money market because money was on call. Like issuers, in case they want to repay the money, they can do so immediately. They don't even need to wait for 14 days. So it's ideally a 15-day fund market. Why 15 day? Because zeros. आज सुबह देके शाम को मैं redeem कर सकती हूँ. Are you following? Even within 2-3 hours I can do 0 days and last up to 14 days. Anything exceeding that will come in your money market. समझ में आया? So call money market is a market for very short term funds. It is called as call money because money is on call. Anytime the issuer wants to repay the money, investor has to accept. Anytime the investor wants their money back, they can also call for it. That is called as call money market. When I say discount market is when you discount your commercial bills. You can always take it to a commercial bank and then get it discounted instead of waiting till the maturity. That is called as discount market. And then we have treasury bill market. What is a treasury bill? T-bill. Do you remember what a treasury bill is? What is a treasury bill? Treasury bill market matlab bills are bought and sold. Where treasury bills are bought and sold. But what is a treasury bill first of all? No one remembers? Think about it. What is a commercial bill? Commercial bill is a trade bill. There are different types of commercial bills, right? Commercial bills are trade bills and there are different types of commercial bills. So what is a treasury bill now? Treasury bills are bills issued by whom? Purchased by whom? We're talking about this. Commercial bills are trade bills. It's a tripartite agreement where drawer, drawee and payee. Payee is the bank, right? Drawer is a person who's going to lend, to whom you're going to have credit with, right? Are you following? Your supplier is your drawer. And you have purchased, since you owe him the money, you are the drawee. On you, he will draw the bill. And payee is the bank. So now, commercial bills, there are different bills. Clean bill and documentary bill. Where clean bill, without any documents, you can have the bills. Clean and documentary bills need to be accompanied by a letter of credit or any other document that the drawer insists on. Documentary, right? Timed and usance, which means timed bola to it says less than a year, 3-month bill, 6-month bill, etc. 90 days bill, 56-day bill, etc. Timed bill and usance payable at site or side bill. Let me put the side bill. The moment the bill is produced, you have to make payment against it. Timed bill and side bill. Inland bill used for domestic trade and foreign bills. Are you following? Any doubts? Any doubts so far?